Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 4, Introduction, Understanding AWS Cloud Financial Management. What is AWS Cloud Financial Management? AWS Cloud Financial Management, CFM, encompasses the strategies, tools, and practices used to manage and optimize cloud spending. It involves a combination of financial planning, cost tracking, and resource optimization to ensure that an organization's cloud expenditures are efficient and aligned with its business goals. AWS provides a range of services and best practices to help organizations achieve these objectives. Best practices for AWS Cloud Financial Management. 1. Establish a FinOps culture. Foster collaboration between finance, operations, and engineering teams to create a culture of financial accountability and transparency. 2. Implement cost allocation and tagging policies. Ensure all resources are properly tagged to enable accurate cost tracking and allocation. 3. Regularly review and optimize resources. Use tools like AWS Trusted Advisor and Compute Optimizer to continuously assess and optimize resource usage. 4. Leverage savings plans and reserved instances. Commit to using specific resources for longer terms to take advantage of lower pricing. 5. Monitor and analyze spending. Use AWS Cost Explorer and QuickSight to regularly monitor spending patterns and identify areas for cost savings. 6. Set budgets and alerts. Define budgets and set up alerts to get notified when spending approaches or exceeds predefined thresholds.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.